There you go, breakfast served.
Thank you, Robert. Robert and I just got through having a business meeting where we talked about our plans for the next 2 weeks, what we're going to do with Meander, what we're going to do with his channel, and we're thinking about vlogging on my channel, nature scenes on his channel, and keeping Meander as the flagship channel. And I don't know, by the time this airs, you guys will know if we've been able to pull it off or not. But this is kind of what we do. We just hang out in the van and do our business meetings, and then we get to work after we've had breakfast. What are you working on?
I'm sitting over here editing a photo of the hawk I took in the tree out back this morning.
Yeah, I went outside for a little while and I came back and I'm like, Robert, there's a hawk up on the hill. So this is what we do. We just kind of hang out and work all day long.
This is my day unless I'm taking a break for some specific reason.
Absolutely, this is us. We're out for our evening walk. It's so lovely. And we saw a deer, and I didn't think to take a video. I took pictures instead up on top of the hill. Sorry about that. Here goes Robert sliding down the hill.
Saw a pregnant cow, big belly.
Robert really did. I'm hoping to find her again. That's what we're on the hunt for. But I'm having to watch my steps, so I'm going to hang up now. Bye. This is where I was camped last year when I had to take off because no one I knew in Leadville was answering their phones. Not Linda, not Bob, not Robert, no one for like 2 days.
Not Robert?
Not Robert even.
Now she knows it's Leadville, so she's not surprised that the tower was down and nobody had phone service.
And that a cable was cut, I found out when I got there, but you guys scared me.
Well, we just were annoyed.
Oops. Hello. I scared you, didn't I? I'm sorry. You shouldn't have been coming to our front door, and do not eat the chair. No, quit eating, quit licking the chair. Baby, please quit licking the chair. Okay? No, don't lick the chair. Hello, Mama. Go around the car, please. Just keep going. Go on around the car. Go on. Are you going to let me come up and talk to you? Hi. Hi. All right. Let's see you. You sure are handsome. Goodness, everybody. Well, you know, y'all kind of scared us too. Yeah. You kind of scared us too. It's all right, Mama. Move. Sun's gonna catch you, but I'll show everybody who's making a big noise behind me. Alright. Oh, look at that big baby. Are y'all friendly? You sure are handsome. Yes, you are. Thank you for stopping and licking my chair. Yeah.